Hi there, it's Alex here at Stanley Villa Farm. We know that when you're booking somewhere new, it's really important, especially if you're a family member has additional needs, to know exactly what to expect. Behind me, you can see family pod number 5, and next door we have family pod number 6, which were both built with accessibility in mind. First off, there's a ramp up to the pod. Secondly, they're very close, 10 metres away from the parking spaces. And thirdly, we've built wider doors and lower beds. Come in. The doors measure 92 centimetres in width and the beds are only 50 centimetres in height. There's a radiator to keep you nice and warm and proper lighting, battery powered lanterns in all of them. This is one of our pods with a hot tub. There are 3 of these at the top end of a site called Woodsview 1, 2 and 3. These are approximately 50 metres from the car parking and have flat pathways to them all. There are some small steps up to the pod and the hot tub to be aware of. This pod is called Lakeview 1 and it has a hot tub, wood fired, and is right next to the parking. There is again steps up to this pod and a standard width doorway. In terms of fishing, we have 2 lakes at Stanley Villa Farm. This one behind me is the main specimen lake, very close to the car parking. So car parking space is right here. There is a rinse and dip just about 15 metres away over there that you will have to use. And then you're looking on the map to have pegs 17, 18, 19 and 20 are the closest ones to the car parking. We do have a second lake which is called the Stock Pond. That's going to be about 100 metres from the car parking spaces and is all pathways. It's the main communal lodge. It's approximately 20 metres from the nearest pods. It has ramp access. And inside there are 3 wet rooms. One of them has grab bars. Doorways are standard width. There's a small kitchen this side with fridge freezers, sink, toaster, microwave, kettles. And then the wet rooms, again standard width doorways, all newly refurbished wet rooms with grab bars here as well. And then this way we have the main communal lodge, which is a bit of a social space. There is a cosy corner, great for kids, young ones. There's high chairs. And it's just a nice space to come and eat your dinner and look out over the beautiful views. This is the bell tent area you can see behind me. We are just out of season, so they're not quite up yet. They start from April. The bell tents all have pathways to them, and they do all have small steps up to them, apart from tent number 10, which has a ramp up to it that you can just see behind me here. There is a loo block very close by, approximately 10 metres from the bell tent, but there are steps up to that loo block. The loo block with a ramp is about 200 metres from the bell tent.